feeling stuck on a low income, and dreaming of millionaire status? Let me tell you, it's not a pipe dream. Hey everyone, and welcome back to DenCel Vienna. Today, we're tackling a question that burns in many minds. Can I become a millionaire even on a low salary? The answer is a resounding yes. It's not about how much you earn, but how you manage your money. How to be a millionaire on a low salary? Let's bust the myth that millionaires all come from wealthy families. Many millionaires built their fortunes from the ground up. And you can too. We'll explore essential financial strategies and the power of positive cash flow to unlock your path to $1 million or more. Imagine a game. You have two levers: income and expenses. The goal is to create a positive cash flow, meaning more money coming in than going out. Here's the magic. The size of your salary doesn't matter as much as your ability to manage these levers. Income versus expenses. Let's play a quick example. Say an 18-year-old with a positive cash flow of $250 per month consistently saves and invests that money, assuming an average 7% annual return. We'll explain that later. By retirement at 65, they could accumulate a cool $1.1 million. The earlier you start, the greater the impact of positive cash flow. Even a small amount consistently saved and invested can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. But wait, there's more. A 25-year-old with a $500 monthly positive cash flow could reach a whopping $1.3 million by retirement. See the snowball effect? The millionaire mindset: 4 key questions. Becoming a millionaire starts with the right mindset. Here are 4 crucial questions to ask yourself. 1. Can I increase my income? Explore opportunities for advancement, additional skills, or side hustles. 2. Can I decrease unnecessary expenses? Budgeting and mindful spending are key. 3. Can I save more efficiently? Use high-yield savings accounts or automated transfers to make saving effortless. 4. Can I invest my savings wisely? Research various investment options to grow your wealth. The millionaire mindset. These questions shift your focus from simply earning more to managing what you already have more effectively. Beyond the basics, strategies for growth. Building on the foundation of positive cash flow. Let's explore additional wealth-building strategies. 1. Side hustles. Explore freelance work, online businesses, or gigs that complement your skills and generate extra income. 2. Strategic income splitting. If married, consider having one spouse. Focus on maximizing income while the other prioritizes saving and managing the household. 3. Investing. Invest in assets with growth potential, like stocks, real estate, or index funds. Remember, do your research and understand the risks involved. 4. Strategic spending. Focus on needs over wants. Compare prices, utilize coupons, and explore cost-effective alternatives. Wealth-building strategies. The importance of time. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't about getting rich quick. It's about consistent effort and smart financial decisions over time. The earlier you start, the more your money has time to grow through compound interest. Time is money. Even a small positive cash flow, consistently saved and invested for decades, can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Now, we're diving deep into strategies to build long-term wealth, even with a limited income. Building wealth isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about smart habits, consistent effort, and a shift in mindset. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of becoming a millionaire, one step at a time. Strategies for millionaires on a low income. Step number 1, master your money mindset. The first step is rewiring your thinking. Millionaires understand the power of delayed gratification and prioritize saving and investing over instant gratification. We'll discuss how to break free from a scarcity mindset, set clear financial goals, and develop a budget that empowers you to save and invest consistently. Step number 2, live below your means. Living within your means is crucial for building wealth. Track your expenses ruthlessly and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your well-being. Don't be a stranger. I have more than 100 awesome content waiting for you. We'll provide tips for creating a realistic budget, prioritizing needs over wants, and avoiding lifestyle inflation as your income potentially increases. Step number 3, automate your finances. Set yourself up for success by automating your finances. Schedule automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to ensure consistent saving and minimize the risk of impulse spending. We'll walk you through automating your finances, setting up automatic bill payments, and creating a system that works for you. Step number 4, embrace the power of side hustles. A side hustle can significantly boost your income, allowing you to save and invest more. Explore your skills and passions to find a side hustle that fits your lifestyle. We'll discuss popular side hustle options, offer tips for finding the right one for you, and guide you on getting started without overwhelming your schedule. Step number 5, invest for the long term. Investing is the cornerstone of building wealth. Even with a limited income, starting small and investing consistently can make a world of difference over time. We'll introduce different investment options, like low-cost index funds, explain the power of compound interest, and help you develop a long-term investment strategy aligned with your goals. Remember, becoming a millionaire takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Embrace these strategies, stay committed to your goals, and you'll be well on your way to achieving millionaire status. Remember, you have the power to control your financial future. Start taking action today. Your millionaire journey starts now. The good news: you have the power to control your financial future. Start by tracking your income and expenses to identify areas for improvement. Develop a budget and stick to it. Explore ways to increase your income or decrease spending. Start small, but start today. The power of positive cash flow and consistent effort can be life-changing. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't just about the money. It's about financial security and freedom. With the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals regardless of your current salary. So, are you ready to rewrite your financial story? Leave a comment below and tell us what excites you most about your journey to becoming a millionaire. Until next time, stay inspired and keep hustling. What are your thoughts on building wealth on a low salary? Share your tips and experiences with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you on your financial journey. See you on the next one.